Hey guys, I know this video has been a bit late, so I'll try to make this video as short as possible for you guys to enjoy. So today will be the unboxing of the wireless charger dual pad by Samsung, as well as the Samsung Galaxy Buds. So both of these devices, I would call it, are given by Samsung when you pre-order the Samsung Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus. So today I'm super excited to unbox these two devices. Let's jump straight to the unboxing. Alright guys, now that we have unboxed the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, we'll move on to the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds as well as the wireless charger dual pad. So right now we're first going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Buds. So here we go. Okay, so we're gonna cut open package and it's pretty simple. So here we go. Let out. So this is the first time. Okay, we have one more here. Okay, so this is the first time that I'm actually fully using the Samsung ecosystem. So the Samsung S10 Plus, the Samsung Galaxy Buds, the Samsung wireless charger dual pad. So all Samsung. Alright, so the first thing we get in the box is this packaging. So let me zoom in for you. Here, so we get this packaging. So in this package, you get all your wingtips. Right here, you'll be able to change it with the Samsung Galaxy Buds, as well as the cable to charge your Samsung Galaxy Buds, which is your your USB-A to USB-C. Same cable as your S10 Plus, so nothing to worry there. And then of course you got your Samsung Galaxy Buds itself right here. So these are tuned by AKG, as you can see right here. Sound by AKG. So let's open up and see. Wow, they are very tiny. Okay, so I'm gonna take my AirPods and we are gonna compare it against the AirPods. Okay guys, so I've switched back to the wide angle camera. So you got the AirPods and you got the Samsung Galaxy Buds. So you can see both of them look roughly similar, both similar in size actually when you compare it to the size of my hand. The Samsung Galaxy Buds feels a bit bigger, but that's because it's bigger in length. This is bigger in width. So put it at the side first. Okay, so now let's take a look at the wireless charger dual pad. So this thing with the Samsung Galaxy Buds actually come together with the S10. So thank you Samsung for the free gifts. Very much appreciated. So with this guy, you can actually charge two Qi enabled devices. So you can charge your Samsung Buds, you can charge your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, anything. So let's open this bad boy up. I'm seeing how to cut it. Okay, here we go. Again, this one I'm super excited because you'll be able to charge two devices at one time. A certain company also has something similar but has yet to release it. It's rumored to release soon, but we shall see when it releases. But hey, you never know. Okay, so at the box we do see this. So zoom in for you. So we have wireless charger, a 25-watt wall charger, cable, and your quick start guide. So it has fast charge 2.0 on the left side and right side, yes, fast charge 1.0. So you'll be able to see. So 1.0 is usually for your Galaxy Buds or maybe something like an iPhone which doesn't support fast charge 2.0. And yeah, alright, that's the box. Let's take a look again. Okay, so first thing you get is your big 25 watt. So wow, that's really quite big. So we're gonna go compare it to this guy right here. So this guy is 15 watts and this guy is 25 watts. Really, it's quite big. It's fine though. Big, you'll be able to charge more devices, am I right? So that's great. And we get another USB-A to USB-C cable. I have so much of this lying around, it's crazy. And then we get the wireless charger dual pad itself. So this one supports fast charge 2.0 and this guy supports fast charge 1.0. So again, you can see right here, flip to the back, you get something like this. So yes, I'll definitely use this. Okay, right now let's tear the plastic. Not as satisfying as I thought it would be, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay, let's carry on here. Finally, we will get the quick start guide, and that's about it. Thing I wanted to show you guys before I end my video. So I wanted to show you guys the setup process of the Samsung Galaxy Buds with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So all you need to do, similar to AirPods setting up with an iPhone. Okay, if I can get this to open. Okay, so once it's open, you'll be able to see this right here. A new device has been detected. All you do, click on connect. So just click allow for this. Just click allow, and then you should be able to see setting up, and there we go. Your phone is now connected to the Samsung Galaxy Buds. So just allow it to accept every single thing. If you want to do it, you can, but it's fine by you, anything you want to do. So we just click agree here. We can do it later, doesn't matter. So click next, and then we are done. Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the Samsung Galaxy Buds as well as the wireless charger dual pad. So in any case, this should be the Samsung Galaxy Buds. I hope you guys can see it. So in any case, this is a great product. I don't want to make another review on the Samsung Galaxy Buds because there are just too many out there on YouTube. So in this video, I just want to give my opinion because yes, I have been using the Galaxy Buds with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus for about a week so far. So I hope you guys will be able to understand that I'm combining the unboxing as well as the review into one video. So main thing about the Samsung Galaxy Buds as compared to the AirPods is that it has great noise isolation. So whenever I just put the Samsung Galaxy Buds in my ears, you'll be able to have great noise isolation as compared to the AirPods, which has very bad noise isolation. And one more thing is that these guys doesn't stick very well in my ears. So basically whenever I stick them in, I have to stick them in super deep for them to get into my ears, but that is just for my ears. I can change the wingtips and it does work fairly fine. That's for my ears though. For other people, it might be perfect fit for you. Now, Other than that, these are great earbuds. Honestly, they are perfect for workouts, for running, for studying, anything that you want to do when listening to music. Another thing I want to talk about is the battery life. So far battery life has been amazing, but there's one thing that I want to compare is that these guys with the charger have about 12 hours of battery life. However, for the AirPods, you have about 4 hours on the AirPods itself, and you have an additional 24 hours on the case. So total you have much more battery life on the AirPods than on the Samsung Galaxy Buds. So if battery life is a concern, then I would say go for the AirPods. But if battery life is not a concern and your ears fits perfectly to the Samsung Galaxy Buds, then I would say definitely go for the Samsung Galaxy Buds because they are much cheaper as compared to the AirPods. Alright, so that is just a mini review. I think that is all you guys need to know for the Samsung Galaxy Buds. As for the wireless charger dual pad, it's amazing. I'm able to charge my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus as well as my Samsung Galaxy Buds at the same time. That is super amazing. So if you want to get it, you can get it, or if you pre-order it, definitely use the wireless charger dual pad. Alright, so that is all for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you did, definitely do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you guys in my next video. And also do turn on the bell notification. Alright, see you guys soon. Bye!